Hello from Slovenia again. I will do a reverse flower dip today, but with the puddles. I didn't do this kind of reverse dip for quite some time, so I decided that I will do it today. So I will just pour some puddles. This is Prussian blue, and next will be sky blue light with pearl medium to get some nice lacing, hopefully. And next will be phthalo cyan blue. Oops, a blob. And cobalt. And as you can see, I do puddles to the one side, so the paint flows a little to the middle, towards the middle. And this is metallic silver this time instead of metallic white. And manganese phthalo blue, and maybe I had too much of this silver. And here I have a blob too. I hate these blobs that you get in this squeeze bottles. See? Just don't want to get out. Okay. I hope that it will work now. Just a little more, please. So I will publish a video next week what I'm planning to do in the year 2020. It's a nice I hope it will be a nice year. This one was so interesting for me. I achieved a lot this year with my YouTube channel, so I really want to thank you all for being here with me and helping me with my journey, with your comments, subscriptions. Oh, and when I talk about subscriptions, as you know, I don't know why, but YouTube has this thing that some of you don't get my notifications again. So please check your notification bells if you want to uh, be notified when I publish my videos, because I will tell you a little secret. In the next year, I'm planning to do one live video a week. So, and you will be able to tell me what you want to see and maybe choose colors, different techniques. So hopefully we will get some nice time together, and I will add some of this yellow in the middle and maybe a touch of silver to get a little lacing, and some yellow again. And I think that I will add some greens this time too. Not much, but some. Some of this darker one, phthalo green. And I will add some pearl white here on with the greens to get some lacing and maybe a little more muted greens, not as bright. So this is it, and now I will dump my paper towel with water. And let's place our paper towel down. I will just try to do it like that. I will put it from the middle part to the edges, because I want to have this centered as much as I can, and with not much air pockets in it. So I will tap this I want this yellow to spread a little. And because when you use your paper towel or paper napkin, did I talk about paper towel all the time? This is a paper napkin. Your paint will flow through the to the middle, and that's why I spread my paint that way, so you will pour your paint to the middle anyway. And now the moment of truth. I will try to lift it as even as I can. So whoop, drip, don't wanna drip. I wished a little more of this yellow here, but let's see if we can bring some of it out when we torch it, because I added this metallic silver to the middle too, so maybe we will get some more of it out. And as I can see, I didn't have enough white paint here or something. I don't know what is happened here. When you just don't like this blob here, let's try to fix it a little bit. So what do I think? I think that I added too much silver, but what's happening here? You see? A blob of paint. That's why I have this problem. I think it's better now. It looks kind of it's flowing in the wind here on this side. I definitely pull my paper towel differently, not the same in all areas. That's why I get this different result, but I like it. But I don't know if I like this one bit of yellow here, because it's just here. That's why I think that I must do something with it. Maybe missed the mistake, but I just want to. And I think that I'm happy now. So I will take you for a close-up. See, it's almost like a wind or something, I don't know, flower in the wind. I did get some lacing and some cells, and in the greens too. That's why I added the pearl white. And I like this kind of 3D look here, these petals, so I'm pretty happy with this one. You see, when I added this silver, and this is the place where a flower starting to have these petals, and all the other paints are like that was before, they're like some kind of shadow around, so I think that this one is beautiful. But sometimes what I think that it's beautiful, you don't like it at all. But I just love to do this art, no matter if somebody likes it or not. I just love it. So this will be it for today, and I hope that you will watch my video next week to tell you what I'm planning to. Subscribe if you didn't yet. Visit my social media links or become my Patreon to help me make these videos and experiments for you. And we see you on the next one. Bye!